Hey, happy Saturday. So, just a quick update. Version 3 of the bot, the Ninja Bot AIO version 3, is in the hands of some of my people who are playing with it. It's a new user and UI experience, a new interface. Getting some positive feedback on it right now. Before I push it up into the public space, I want to do some more work, more tweaks, more adds to it. But I just thought I'd let you know. New things are coming. You should be happy with what you see. The people who are playing with it are happy with what they see. And the new user interface allows me to also incorporate more modules in a better way to really accelerate ongoing development of the bot. So anyway, with that being said, that's it. Happy Saturday to you. Look forward to having you guys have version 3 of the bot in your hands in the not too distant future. You take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.